it's Mandy from Mindset for Success with step number 10 in setting yourself up for a successful 2019. So I hope you did yesterday's planning overall for the year and the 4 quarters. So today, what I suggest you do, Christmas is nearly here, is take your first quarter, January, February, March, and put some of your goals into the appropriate months so that you have an idea of what you need to do, what you intend to do, and what is happening in your first quarter. Then take the first week that you're back at work in January and schedule 2, 3, or 4 of your important tasks that make up your goals into your diary. So you've already got a plan for after the break, rather than going in and saying, oh, what am I doing this week, and letting your week happen by default. So you're designing your first week back, and that will be an awesome start for your new year. So make the time to do that, and then go and have a fantastic break and a great Christmas. And I'll be back in the new year with a few other tips to help you keep focused for 2019 so that you really do achieve more this year than you've ever done before. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.